Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now after logging into your account, if you wish to block any users, then you can simply tap on the search option to search for any user that you want to block. You can also find these users from your chats page if you have talked with these users already. Now after finding the user that you want to block, you can simply tap on their profile and now you will find the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on Manage Friendship. Now from this page, you have various different options. If you only want to delete them as your friend, you can tap on Remove Friend. Otherwise, you can tap on the block option if you are sure that you want to block this user. After tapping on block, you will once again be asked if you are sure. If you tap on block once again, this user will immediately be blocked and you will find them within your blocked person list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block someone on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.